Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the foundations right. Install Node, JS LTS and confirm versions, then initialize a project with npm init so dependencies stay tidy. Once done, install Express and Socket. EO to handle requests and real-time messages. Make sure to create a basic server. JS that serves a static UI. You pick a speech input method next, the browser web speech API if you want low friction, or a speech recognition library for more control. You now wire voice to actions. Capture audio in the browser, convert to text with web speech API, and emit that text over Socket. EO to your Node server. On the server, implement an intent router that parses keywords and routes to handlers, for example, calendar queries versus web searches, then call external APIs as needed. Once handlers return data, send structured responses back to the client and queue them for text-to-speech playback, so interaction feels immediate and conversational. You finish by adding persistence and deployment. Store user context in LowDB or SQLite and secure your endpoints with token auth. Deploy behind HTTPS so microphone access works reliably. Once deployed, test end-to-end flows, refine response phrasing, and optimize latency. If things go wrong, inspect server logs, replay captured audio, check cores and microphone permission prompts, and validate your intent matching rules. Often a single missing keyword breaks routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.